this is Chinmayi and today I'm going to be taking you into my mascara collection. So let me take you right in. Hi, this is Chinmayi and today going to be polyglutamic acid is a now what is polyglutamic acid? And the last was the first one that I'm going to be talking about is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is going to be a try-on style video. This is a drugstore mascara that has a lot of reviews. So how I go about wearing my mascara is that I go under and then I curl it up. I also use a lash curler before I use a mascara, and whatever is left on the wand, I just lightly go over it with the base of my lower lashes so that my eyes look a little open. So that's about it. This is the right side. This is L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Mascara. The next mascara that I'm going to be showing you is the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes. So on this side of my eye, I have the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes, and on this side I have the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Now these are the first two mascaras that I'm going to be showing you today, and for the rest of it, let me quickly remove this and go with the others. Okay, the next one is tubing mascara. Tubing mascara is usually when you actually remove your mascara, then it comes out in tubes instead of it's just smudging all over. And this is the Kevyn Aucoin Volume Mascara, and one of the first things that I noticed is that it's a really thin tube, and the wand is also really thin, if you see, right? So it helps get into your corners, your real inner corners, and then you can also work with your lower lashes with this. So I'm going to be demonstrating how this works. So this is how the Kevyn Aucoin Volume Mascara looks, and this is something that I actually got. This was the Victoria Beckham Estee Lauder limited edition mascara. This also is a really thin wand, and when I actually take the mascara out, I see that it comes with a lot of products, so I tend to just take it all out first, and then I go in with this into my lashes. So the Victoria Beckham Estee Lauder limited edition mascara and the Kevyn Aucoin Volume Lash. This is how it is. Now let me take you to the next two mascaras. Alright, one of the things that I've always noticed is that tubing mascaras are actually easier to remove, and when you actually use a makeup remover to remove them, they don't make you look like you have panda eyes. They just quickly and easily remove. That is one of the reasons why I like tubing mascaras. And now the next is one of my favorite brands ever, the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara. See, one of the things that I really like about the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara is that it really separates my lashes, and the brush has some sort of a nice, I don't know, the brush and the bristles are really dense, and it brushes through and it gives this really separated, because my lashes are kind of thin, they are not dense, but it separates them and it's not clumpy, and it's one of the reasons that I really like this mascara a lot. The next mascara that I'm going to try is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Volume Mascara. And of course, all of these mascaras that I try are going to be volume because, hey, we need volume and drama in our lashes. Okay, so this is the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara, and this is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Volume Mascara. Let me take you to the last four mascaras that I own. Alright, so this is the Milk Kush Mascara. This also has like a really fat wand. And on this side, on my left hand side, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Milk Makeup Kush Mascara and the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And the last two mascaras that I'm going to be trying on this channel today is the Benefit They Are Real Mascara and the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This is the Too Faced one is a sample size that I got just to see. The packaging and everything, you know, kind of reminds me of the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash. Even the color, the tube, all of that. So one of the reasons that I actually wear my eye makeup first is so that it's easy to clean up, and then you can go in with the rest of your foundation and your concealer and stuff like that. And if you had to go ahead and do all your makeup and then wear your mascara, and if you're as clumsy as I am, then you're going to be having it all over your stuff, and then you'll have to generally pat a lot of powder and do a lot of repair work like I sometimes do. So that is that. I hope you kind of liked what you saw in the video today. And to recap, for this particular set, this is the Benefit They Are Real Mascara and this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. So you could go through the various looks in this video and decide which works for you, maybe if your lashes are slightly similar to mine. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you have any comments, please leave them down below and I shall try my best to respond. Until I see you in my next, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.